Hi, Scott Patrick here. I'm with my good friend Michelle BUSWELL, and we are going to make some gorgeous makeup today. We're going to do a golden smoking eye with a beautiful red matte lip. So, thanks for watching.
Easy peasy.
So, I'm taking my handy dandy cream palette, which I love because that way the intensity comes on really strong, and then I can use one of the YSL shadows to just matte it down. So I'm taking my gorgeous gold and those green eyes glow. Like the Emerald City. Really beautiful. The YSL pats down the cream because if I left the cream alone, it would slip.
Especially on my eyes, since I have a rolling lip.
Really pretty. So now, I want to use a brown liner instead of a black liner on Michelle because it's going to pop that green eye a little bit more even. Open. Beautiful. No. See the difference between when we use black liner and when we use a brown?
Yeah, I do. It actually looks more natural too with the brown. It blends with the gold.
It blends with the gold, and it has this play that black doesn't have. It's cool.
I like it.
I do too, and it makes you into this California girl.
Create thick, healthy brows. Pretty.
You're pretty. And look up. Stunning. So we're using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk 6.5 with a little bit of an 8 kicker on Michelle because I like it warm and lovely. And it's always about golden on her. Open your eyes. Really pretty. This light loves you and this foundation loves you. And we do corner to corner. And that way it ends up the same. Beautiful.
It's like a blushy bronzer. I'm blushing, but in the sunshine.
It's stunning. So I love what I call the trifecta. First it's the Dior Nude as a contour, then it's the blusher, and then it's the RMS highlight. Oh my God, this looks gorgeous on you. You are truly toasty. And now, the RMS Living Luminizer. It's gorgeous.
It feels nice near the temples.
Mm-hmm. And it draws in the thinking.
Think beautiful.
Bring in the light.
Think rainbows. Attract it all. Actually, light reflects it all. Reflect it all into the world.
See the light beams off of you into the world. Who can turn on the world with her smile?
I can. With rainbows shining out of my cheekbones.
Who can take a nothing day and make it all seem worthwhile? That's beautiful.
I have that song in my head. I need a hat to toss.
Who can take a nothing day and suddenly make it all seem worthwhile? Well, it's you, Shell, and you should know it. Look down. Do me a favor. Give me a
Circle on my pupil.
beautiful.
That people were like, what is that?
You're like, why is everybody so wonderful looking? And our lip is Luxe Trance Major Red from Pat McGrath.
Major.
It's heaven. You're gorgeous. This lip is gorgeous.
This lip is gorgeous. This container is gorgeous. It reminds me of some gowns Gautier made too a while ago.
Gautier loved you as a model.
No, I love him as a designer.
I love
And a
him as a
human.
person.
Jinx.
I've got to dive right in because that is one beautiful shot. Let's take the set down.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh, it looks so nice with the lips.
You look like heaven.
Ooh.
What's the name of this lip?
Red Major.
It's red.
Can we begin painting the town red now?
Yes. We've got plenty of lipstick to go around. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Scott Patrick Beauty. I'm here with my good friend Michelle BUSWELL. She's gorgeous. It is a beautiful golden eye with heaven. This lip is just heaven. Beautiful.
So fun.